In front of me is DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. All you need to do is open Play Store and get this app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, hit Apps, scroll to access default apps, and scroll again to click on Home app. Now choose Launcher Pro to apply it, and wait. As you can see, my Apple layout was applied successfully on this device. To make some changes, just access Launcher app and adjust all of those Launcher settings. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, go into Settings again and hit Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!